It is Christmas Eve, December the 24th, 2025. My name is Tom Rigsby. Welcome to your Ready Core Daily Brief. Today, sometimes preparedness looks less like plans and gear and more like light shared in dark moments. We'll get to that in just a minute, but first, let's hear from your ISAT team and the Daily Sit Rep.
This is your AmCon Daily Sit Rep for December the 24th, 2025. Up first today, connecting family preparedness to community preparedness. Communities today face increasingly complex challenges due to factors like climate change and urbanization, resulting in more frequent and costly disasters. Building community resilience goes beyond traditional preparedness by fostering social connectedness and promoting health and wellness within the community. Being connected and adaptive are key measures of preparedness. We encourage listeners to engage with local community preparedness efforts and talk with neighbors to build strong networks of support. In other news, the FCC has blacklisted foreign-made drones, including those from DJI and Autel, due to security and spying concerns. New drone equipment authorizations for U.S. sales are now blocked as part of a strategy tied to upcoming major events, such as the 2026 FIFA World Cup and the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. This move also supports increasing domestic drone production. Contractors and users should be aware of heightened oversight and potential contractual risks resulting from this action. Turning to home safety, if you use natural gas in your home or business, it is crucial to have your gas line system inspected regularly. Aging or damaged gas lines can pose serious risks, as evidenced by recent deadly explosions at a nursing home near Philadelphia due to leaking gas. Experts recommend inspections every 12 to 24 months, or immediately if you notice odd odors, reduced appliance efficiency, or unusual pilot light behavior. Regular maintenance helps prevent costly repairs, improves appliance efficiency, and increases safety. Now, let's discuss the weather forecast, which is significantly impacting holiday travel. Intense rain is causing flooding across Southern California, with a high risk of excessive rainfall continuing through Wednesday. Additionally, moderate to heavy snow is falling over the Northeast and the Sierra Nevada mountains, complicating travel. In the Northeast, snow and freezing rain are expected to impact major hubs including New York City, Washington, D.C., and Philadelphia. Travel delays and slick roads are likely through Christmas Eve, although conditions are expected to improve by Christmas Day. Residents in affected areas should monitor weather updates and prepare for possible flooding and power outages. Finally, there is ongoing potential for protests and civil unrest nationwide. Several events are scheduled today and in the coming days, including rallies and vigils in cities such as Burbank, Minneapolis, Albany, and several locations in California and New York. Members are advised to maintain high situational awareness, especially at public events, know their exits, and report any suspicious activity to authorities and through RISAT communication channels. Today's weather summary: expect heavy rainfall and flash flooding in Southern California, continuing through Friday, along with strong winds. The Northeast and New England will see snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches, particularly in Maine and mountainous regions. Areas near Interstate 95 will see lighter snow. Rain and freezing rain are possible over Pennsylvania and the Great Lakes. Travel will be challenging in these regions. Please take necessary precautions. Looking ahead to events, there are no Ready Corps or American Contingency events scheduled in the next 7 days. Members can access the American Contingency members-only site to get the full report and more in-depth analysis of today's stories, along with practical preparedness tips, training opportunities, and resources to help you, your family, and your neighborhood stay crisis ready.
It's Christmas Eve and the power just went out at the Johnson's house. Dinner was only half cooked, the tree went dark, and for a moment everyone just stood there in the quiet. Then Emma lit a candle, then another. Soon the room was glowing again. Soft light, steady warmth, calm voices. No panic, no rush, just family, together, finding peace in the dark. That's preparedness too, the kind that doesn't show up on a checklist, but in how you carry yourself when things go sideways. Preparedness isn't just a plan, it's presence. It's being the calm in the room when things feel uncertain. It's lighting a candle instead of cursing the darkness. Every family who chooses to prepare creates a little more light for everyone around them. Tonight, as you look at the lights on your tree, the candles in your window, or the stars outside, just remember this. Preparedness is hope you can touch. It's faith in action. It's love with a plan. Tonight, take a minute to appreciate the lights around you, whatever form they take, and thank the people who help keep your world steady and bright. Tomorrow, on Christmas Day, we'll pause to reflect on what really matters: the people, the peace, and the purpose behind everything we do. Thanks as always for listening to the Ready Core Daily Brief. If you're already a member, that's awesome. Be sure to check out today's resources on the members only platform. And if you're not a member yet, you can be. It's easy. Just head over to AmericanContingency.com and join the network. I'm Tom Rigsby. Stay alert, stay ready, and I'll talk to you on Christmas Day.